Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Fish Taco here. Another beautiful day, another car video. So my 25 Corolla Hatchback SE bought a couple days ago, and I already got some accessory for it. I do it for all my cars. I put wind deflector or visors on all four windows. I do it all, on my truck as well. There's a video on that, so I'm gonna put those on right away. So this set of four, I bought it from Amazon for about $53, something like that. I'll put a link down below. So before you get started, make sure you clean the rim of the window frame really well. This is where the attachment is gonna happen. It's all by adhesive, so all the dust, any kind of oil, grease has to be cleaned out. I use alcohol pads. So the longer one goes to the front, the shorter one goes to the back. So there's really not much of a chance you put it on the wrong side. So I ripped just a little bit corner edge off so that I can have the entire strip still on, so I can line up before I rip the whole thing off. All right, that looks good. Okay, make sure they're on it good. Okay. Okay. Now it comes my favorite part, just ripping the protective wrap off. Oh yeah. So satisfying. Ooh. Voila. What do you think, huh? Not bad. Looks good. So repeat the same process on the other side, then we're ready to go. All right, what do you think, huh? Looks good on both sides. Oh, I love it. Perfect. So nice to be able to have the windows cracked a little bit without people seeing it, and then also let the air in. Like in a hot summer day, this is a must, let me tell you. And also in a rainy day, this is very necessary. Looks awesome. So with the windows rolled down a little bit, it seems to also reduce the whistling sound, and then like the puffering sound of the wind, going through the window cracks. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, that's a 15-minute job. Something simple and cheap, 50 bucks. It's a great accessory to have for your vehicle. Doesn't matter what car it is. Talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye.